Put your fillet of smoked salmon into your blender receptacle. Take Philadelphia cream cheese, a brick or a tub works great. Plop it right on top of the salmon. Squeeze some lemon juice. I like to put the lemon juice back into the tub to just get every resource I can. Then you want to grate an onion on the grater, careful not to nick your fingers. Pour that onion right in the blender, put salt and pepper over it. Put the mustard in, and then I put it on the smoothie setting. And there you have a beautiful smoked salmon dip. Voila! Enjoy!